Hi everyone. Just getting into the Florida room tonight after work and needing to repot a few plants that I picked up from Ecuagenera this weekend. I wanted to come out here and check on them, make sure none of them had wilted or needed watering, what have you, and ended up repotting a few of them. I know that's controversial. Most people want to let things acclimate, and I certainly did too, but some of the plants were just super wet, and I didn't feel comfortable having them out here without doing something about that. But that kind of brought me to my little white princess that I got. She's fine. I'm not going to repot her yet. I just wanted to kind of fluff up her soil a little bit and give her just a little bit of fertilizer. But I wanted to show you why I got this particular plant. So as you can see, it's just a plain old Philodendron white princess, and I paid white princess prices for it on sale. But this is why I got this particular one. It has tricolor. It's got this streak of pink in it, and it's just lovely. I'm super excited to have it. I know this is unstable variegation supposedly, but I'm hoping if I keep it under high light, it'll stay. Totally unrelated, but super proud of this. I've had this Suriname cherry bonsai. Here, I'm going to turn sideways for a second. I've had this bonsai for like, I don't know, 5 years now, and it finally bloomed. So anyway, good night for repotting. Let's see, here's some other stuff. So these are actually volunteers. This is that elephant ear, the Borneo giant elephant ear from across the street at my work. And this is a Philodendron Salome, I think, that my colleague brought in from an outdoor clipping that he just happened to find. There is my little burl marks variegated that I just put on a stake, so it'll be a little happier. And then these are all of my my little alocasias that had come in right before we left, so trying to get them. Some of them were pretty wet too. So anyway, fun little night of repotting after work.